Hello everyone, my name is Chandni and my age is 23 and I live in Delhi, and I also completed my graduation from Delhi University in BA in the year of 2021. So as you can see, I belong totally from a non-technical background, and now I am working in IT company in technical profile. All this could happen due to the eVision team. Actually happened that I was struggling a lot through my career, and I was looking for a stable and right job profile that can align well with my long-term career goals. So I got to know about the eVision Technosir from one of my friends who is already working in an IT company after learning from eVision actually. So I joined their course, and when I joined their course, it was January 4th of January 2024, and I completed my course in March 2024. After completing my course, I got placed in Teleperformance actually for the client Western Digital, and with the salary package of 4 LPA. So you can imagine belonging from totally a non-technical background, then coming to this profile means a lot to me. Actually, I didn't know even the basic networking. So eVision team helped me a lot through this journey. They teached me everything very well. They teached me from basic networking to advanced networking. As special thanks to Sati ma'am, Ganesh sir, Amit sir, and all the teachers and the team members of eVision team who helped me a lot in this journey from learning to getting a job. They teached me everything theoretically as well as practically. That helped me a lot to understand and learn the exact thing. So all this goes to the team. Once again, thank you so much for this. They will teach you everything in detail. They will provide you the study material that can help you in your career and in learning, and they will give you the real life exposure of an IT company, and what is being happened in IT company, how will you tackle a problem, how will you work in an IT company, how will you troubleshoot the problem. They will teach you each and everything. So thanks a lot eVision team to give me this opportunity to get this job. This all could happen due to you all. Thank you so much.